Hello everybody, today we learn about the list. If I want to do a list like this with all my value in my box, so how can I do this? Let's start. First all, I write all the value. The second, I stand on the table where I want to do my value will be, and then I press on data. After this, I press on data validation button, and after this I press on allow list, and then I want my source. I take all my source, and then I press on OK button. Now, as you can see, I have all my value, but if I want to do one more value, so I want my another value, I write this, and then I press on my books, and then I press on data validation, and then I open my data validation, but my source it will be different. So I will make my new source, then I press delete, and then I take my new source, and then I press on OK button. Now, as you can see, I have a new value. Okay guys, let's do a summary. So today we learn about the list. First all, I pressed on data, and after this data validation, and then open me a box, and then I press on the list, and then I take my source that I write before. Okay guys, please subscribe after me and have a good day. Bye bye.